love you once. I say I love you twice. I'll be outside your house. I stay up all night. Play this guitar, girl, to show you how I feel. How I feel. Do you feel me up, baby? Just to let me down. And worst of all, you never go, baby, when you say you will. I love you still. I need you more than anyone, darling. You know that I have from the start. So we'll be on don't break my heart. Well, I'm reminiscing on the things we done been through. Like that time you threw that brick through my window. I swear to God, around that time I could've lynched you. Couple of hours later, I wanted to hug, love, and kiss you. You said you can't take it no more, but you didn't walk out of that door. You said that you changed, but we fussing and fighting wherever we go. All out in public, everyone watching like a reality show. Well, it don't matter no more, cause you know I can't let you go. I say I love you once.